Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us see the angle formulas. The angle between two lines theta equal to cos inverse of modulus b vector dot d vector divided by modulus b vector into modulus d vector. Next, angle between two planes theta equal to cos inverse of modulus n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by modulus n1 vector into modulus n2 vector. Next, angle between line and plane theta equal to sin inverse of modulus b vector dot n vector divided by modulus b vector into modulus n vector. For the angles two lines and two planes, we have to take cos inverse of, and only for this angle between line and plane we have to take sin inverse. Now let us see the problems. Find the angle between the following lines. So two straight lines are given. From this we have to take the vectors. See this first line, this constant t into bracket. So this is only vector. So we take it as b vector, that is I plus 2j minus 2k. And see the second line, in this here s into this bracket, this is only vector. So take the second vector d vector equal to minus I minus 2j plus 2k. Now write the formula theta equal to cos inverse of modulus b vector dot d vector divided by modulus b vector modulus d vector. So that is equal to cos inverse of, just substitute these vectors, modulus of this is b vector dot this is d vector divided by taking modulus. See this first vector magnitude is root of 1 squared 1 plus 2 squared 4 plus minus 2 whole squared 4 into again taking modulus of this vector, that is root of minus 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus taking the dot product 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 divided by root 9 is 3 into again root 9 is 3. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus of minus 9 divided by 9. Here we can cancel 9, and remember modulus means only positive term. So we can omit the negative sign and we take the positive only. That is equal to cos inverse of 1. This cos inverse of 1 is equal to cos inverse of cos 0. This 1 is cos 0. Now using the trigonometric inverse function formula, this cos inverse cos get cancelled and so we get equal to 0. So we know the angle for this number 1, that is cos 0 only 1, so we write 0. Therefore theta equal to 0. Similarly, next problem, two straight lines are given. This first one is given in Cartesian form and the second one is given in vector form. In this Cartesian form, we know that the denominator only vector, and in this vector form this constant t into bracket, this is only vector. So therefore the given vectors we take it as b vector and d vector. First line denominator numbers, that is 3, 4, 5. So we write 3i plus 4j plus 5k. And second line, this constant t into bracket, that is 2i plus j plus k. This is only vector. Now we use the formula theta equal to cos inverse of modulus b vector dot d vector divided by modulus b vector into modulus d vector. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus b vector, this is b vector, dot d vector, this is d vector, divided by, we have to take the modulus, that is magnitude. So the magnitude of first vector, root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25 into the magnitude of second vector, that is root of 2 square 4 plus 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus, taking the dot product 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 5 into 1 5 divided by, this first term is root 50 into this second one is root 6. So this is equal to cos inverse of, adding this modulus 15 divided by root 50 into root 6. So both are root numbers. So we can multiply this, that is root of 50 into 6, 300. And 15 is already positive, so we can remove the modulus sign, that is 15 divided by root of 300 is 10 into root 3. So this is 100 into 3, take 100 outside the root, that is 10. So we get 10 into root 3. Now cancel by 5, we get 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Again we can cancel root 3, and note that this 3 is root 3 into root 3. So we can cancel one root 3 and we get root 3 divided by 2. So this is cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2. And write the angle for this number. Cos pi by 6 only root 3 by 2. Therefore, the angle theta equal to pi by 6. Next problem, find the acute angle between the planes. So here two planes are given. We have to take the vectors. In planes, we take the vectors n1 vector and n2 vector. So the given vector, from the first plane, this bracket only vector, that is n1 vector is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. And from this second plane, this x, y, z numbers only vector, that is 4 minus 2, 2. So the second vector is n2 vector equal to 4i minus 2j plus 2k. So here the formula is theta equal to cos inverse of modulus n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by modulus n1 vector into modulus n2 vector. This is equal to cos inverse of modulus, this is n1 vector, dot this is n2 vector, divided by, we have to take modulus. The modulus of this first vector is root of 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 into modulus of this second vector is root of 4 square 16 plus minus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus, taking the dot product 2 into 4 8, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 into 2 4 divided by root of 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 into root of 16 plus 4 plus 4 24. So this is equal to cos inverse of modulus 8, that is positive, so we write 8 divided by this root 12 is 2 root 3, because 4 into 3 12, take 4 outside the root, that is 2 root 3. Similarly, this root 24 can be written as 2 into root 2 into root 3. This is 4 into 6. 4 take outside the root 2. So 2 into root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Here this 2 into 2 4 cancel this 8 2 times. Again that 2 and root 2 can be cancelled and we get root 2. And this denominator root 3 into root 3 3. And this is the answer. Because we cannot find the angle, there is no table value for this number. So we stop with this. Similarly, next problem, find the angle between the straight line and the plane. So the straight line equation given and the plane equation given. For this we have to take sine inverse of bracket angle formula. And the procedure is same, take dot product divided by magnitude, but for this line and plane we have to take sine inverse. And from the line we take the vector, b vector is this constant t into bracket only vector, that is I minus j plus k. And from this plane we take the vector n vector equal to this x, y, z numbers, that is 2, minus 1, 1. So we write 2i minus j plus k. Now the formula is theta equal to sine inverse of modulus b vector dot n vector divided by modulus b vector into modulus n vector. That is equal to sine inverse of modulus b vector is this one dot this is n vector divided by taking the magnitude root of first vector 1 squared 1 plus minus 1 squared 1 plus 1 squared 1 into magnitude of second vector, that is root of 2 squared 4 plus minus 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1. So this is equal to sine inverse of modulus taking dot product 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 1 1 divided by this is root 3 into root 6. So this is equal to sine inverse of modulus 4, that is positive only. So we write 4 divided by root 3 into this root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. And in this 4 we can cancel one root 2 because 4 is 2 into 2. So we get 2 root 2 in the numerator, and denominator this root 3 into root 3 3. So we get the answer sine inverse of 2 root 2 divided by 3, and this is the answer. We stop with this because we cannot write the angle. This number is not a table value. So we stop with this, and this is the answer. Thanks for watching.